Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with 30 Days of Indonesia, promoting Indonesia during this Ramadan, the holy month for the Muslim, which is the not main, but the majority in Indonesia are Muslims, so this is kind of like their big thing. When they break their fast, what Ramadan is a fasting month, and when they break their fast, usually they will break it with something sweet. And for that we have so many traditional sweets, um, cakes and desserts that I would like to share, especially the one that I grew up with. And for today it is black glutinous rice porridge, another porridge. It is nice and it's using black rice, but it's different from black rice that you can serve with savory dishes. But it's glutinous rice, like short grain rice, but it's black and sticky rice, sticky in the end. So check out the full video and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye. So if your porridge is warm or hot, it's best served with chilled coconut milk. And if your porridge is cold or chilled, it's best to serve it with warm coconut milk. So first thing first, this is black glutinous rice, which is different from black rice. Black glutinous rice would produce sticky rice, while black rice, they are slimmer and longer in texture compared to black glutinous rice. And you can eat black rice as normal rice, normal white rice, regular white rice. What I have is 2 cups of black glutinous rice. We're gonna rinse it and we're gonna soak it overnight. So this is the rinse and clean black glutinous rice. I just add enough water to soak it overnight. I'll see you tomorrow again. After soaked overnight, you want to drain the water and then rinse it once more and put the black glutinous rice into a pot and pour 4.5 cups of water, and we're gonna bring it to boil until the water is absorbed. You're gonna want to stir it occasionally or pretty often toward the end when the water is lessened, and then we're gonna add sugar after that. But for now we're gonna bring it to boil. When it has come to full boil, you want to put a lid on your pot and lower the temperature to medium high. Once the water absorbs or much less than, add 1.5 cup of sugar and 3 cups of water and bring to boil again, and keep stirring until it becomes porridge. Now we're gonna make the coconut milk. This is 1 can of coconut milk. That's the thick part of the coconut milk. And fragrant leaf pandan. We're gonna bring to boil on medium heat with about half teaspoon, if not 1 teaspoon of salt.